season's coming up and so are my holiday videos. I'm sure a lot of you will be traveling to meet your families, friends and planning vacations. If you're leaving home for a few days, then my today's tips will help you look polished from day one till the last day of your vacation. And your pictures, class apart. Welcome to Blush With Me. Number one are your nails. Now usually after third or fourth day, your nail polish tends to chip. And then whatever you may wear, you're always conscious of your chipped nails. So here I have 3 suggestions for you. You can actually go with gel or glitter nail polish, which can last you for more than 4 or 5 days. But I find it very hard to take these off and they damage my nails. What I like to do is, if I'm getting a manicure done before a vacation, then I like to buy a color that I like, so that I can touch up myself in case of any chips. Now I recently tried nail color from Mented cosmetics. I have the Brown Bougie on my nails right now. Now this is not a sponsored video by Mented Cosmetics. I am really surprised by this nail polish. I applied this 9 days ago and you saw it on my last video. I haven't touched it up since then. You can see that the nails have grown, but the nail polish has not chipped except just the tips of a couple of my nails. So if I was on a vacation and I didn't want to waste a few hours getting a manicure again, then I would just touch up the tips of my nails to look polished again. In case any of you are inspired to do your own nails, then watch my how to do manicure at home video right at the end of this video. Next one is teeth whitening for perfect smile. Let me tell you how and why. Look around you. Instagram, magazines, socializing, holiday pictures, dating. Look at the importance of good smile. It shows confidence and helps you let your guard down. A good smile will help you look less conscious. A whiter smile shifts the focus on your face. Once your teeth are visible, people will naturally zero in on your smile. This will lessen the appearance of surrounding wrinkles like frown lines. A home teeth whitening kit is an affordable enhancer with a small price tag and larger than life effects. When my dentist said it would cost me about $600, I just decided to live with what I had. But then I came across Smile Brilliant home teeth whitening kit, and what a huge update it is to my smile without spending a wad of cash. The kit comes with these pastes and trays. Now you mix these pastes and place it in the tray, make your impressions and send them back to the company. In the next few days, you get your own customized transparent trays. Now use the gels from these kits in these trays, just a very thin layer of it, and fit them on your teeth for about 45 minutes or longer if you wish to. Now, if you have sensitive teeth, they do have desensitizing gel. So when I showed my results a few weeks ago, a lot of you had questions about the safety of using it, or does it damage the enamel of your teeth? Look at my teeth. Enamel is intact. That's probably one of the biggest misconceptions about teeth whitening. Think of it as, say if your hair was dry and damaged and just conditioner wasn't enough. Would you not use a heavier mask to help your hair? Then why not get the same help for your smile? I love the results so much that I bought another kit for my husband, and I think this makes a very thoughtful, personalized gift for anyone you love. Here are his before pictures. Make sure you subscribe to my channel because in the next few weeks, I will share his after results too. Teeth whitening gives you more reasons to smile. Because Smile Brilliant offered a 15% discount to my viewers and many of you have already bought it, so I requested Smile Brilliant to extend this offer and even the giveaway. So make sure you leave a comment below with either the word smile or brilliant in it. And follow both Smile Brilliant and Blush With me-Parmita on Instagram. Now if you're traveling to a warmer place, of course you would carry your bathing suit with you, but my suggestion is carry 2. You can use your bikini the first couple of days and then you're going to party, sleep late, binge, wake up late, your schedule is going to be all over the place and you will gain weight. And this is when your one piece comes out. Now, if you're on a beach or a resort, it is completely okay to accessorize your bathing suit. You can use a bandana, a hat, a sarong, acrylic jewelry, no metallic jewelry. and you can instantly get a lot of positive attention. And you will yourself not feel conscious of your body. Now let's talk about dresses. I like to leave all my fitted dresses for the first few days exactly for the same reason. Once I start gaining a little weight on my tummy, that's when all my flowy outfits come out. Now let's talk about makeup. It has happened with me where I jumped into the pool with my mascara and it was all over the face. If you don't want such disasters, make sure to pack gel eyeliners, waterproof mascara, and especially lipsticks, because I think lipsticks really pop every look. But if you have something that disappears after the first few hours, it's not really going to work. In this day and age of matte lipsticks, here is my suggestion. I like to personally use something luxurious and creamy on my lips that will last all day. And I love Bobbi Brown's Luxe Collection lipsticks because they are luxurious and creamy and not dry like most other liquid matte lipsticks. For instance, I like Nude Sticks or Mented matte lip colors. I will link all these products in the description below. Dresses or jeans, do not underestimate the power of shapewear. If you look up SPANX In Power line, super shaping shears, they have compression zones that shape your tummy, your thighs, your rear, while offering this seamless and very sleek sheer look that you usually get from your regular pair of tights or stockings. They are that thin and yet hold really well. There are a few other good ones that I would link in my Amazon store below in the description box. Now, if you're traveling to a new place, the weather will be different from where you live, and that does affect your hair. Usually your hair tends to dry out. I observe random things. I can tell by the state of someone's hair if the pictures were taken in the first few days or the last few days of the vacation. If you travel with a travel size hair mask that's available in any drugstore, it'll really save your hair. Products like hair gel or texturizer are also a great way to keep your frizz under control and always look well put together. We all want every outfit to look good and still want to travel light. Figure out what's that one shoe that you must have apart from your workout shoes. If you are a white sneaker kind of girl, then make sure most of your outfits match your sneakers. It happened to me. I was on a beach vacation and I forgot to carry flat sandals. Wearing heels on a beach, not a good idea. I personally prefer to carry white sneakers, tan heels, and any statement shoe which is about 1 inch tall. Now these three can match pretty much all my outfits, locations, and occasions. Now go ahead and plan all your outfits around these shoes. If you've been planning your shoes around your outfit, try doing it the other way around. It's very important to keep up the excitement till the last day of finding good spots and locations. Get creative with your poses and angles. What's the point if you're well dressed till the last day but your enthusiasm is lacking in the last few days and it shows on your face? So keep up that smile and excitement till the last day, because later when you see the pictures, you don't want to reject them yourself just because you weren't looking exciting enough. Now the other way to plan your outfits is Google the spots you'll be visiting and plan your outfits accordingly. Like I took this yellow jacket to pop against the white glaciers in Alaska, and inside I had this black layer for contrast shots if I wanted to take black and white pictures or just for something more dramatic. Do watch my How to Photograph Yourself while you travel to know how you can take creative shots in creative spots when you are on vacation. Look at this blue flowy palazzo shot against the blue ocean. Again, I chose these palazzos because I knew where I was going to travel. Now, when I was going to the botanical gardens, I didn't want my outfit and the colors and prints to distract from the flowers and the beauty of the garden. So I went with all white. Again, my flowy outfit against these royal blue stairs. I knew it will be windy on the cruise, so I had my flowy dress to show not just the dress, but also to capture the wild winds of the cruise. It's more fun when you join this journey with me. If you see that subscribe button, hit the subscribe button and the bell you see next to it. You will also see a like button and a share button. Send this video to your best friends. Follow me on my Instagram and Facebook fan page. I'm a Chicago-based photographer and an image coach. If you want to start following my lifestyle portraits and want me to be your photographer sometime in future, then look up my Instagram second page. It's called Parmita _Photo Factory. See you next week with another video that will help you stand out. If you have any suggestions for videos this holiday season, then let me know in the comments below. See you next week. Blush with me.